Never apologize for choosing your mental health over someone's comfort. Other people, they want to feel comfortable by being abusing you. They want to see you crying every time so they can feel comfortable, feel happy. So sometimes, guys, you have to choose your mental health. If you saw that maybe the relationship is not working, you are always stressed every time, so you have to leave that relationship. You know that you have got a partner want to saw you crying every time, doesn't feel pity for you. So sometimes other people, they want to feel comfortable with you, but they are abusing you. You are being abused in that relationship. You are not okay. So sometimes when you saw those things, you have to choose your mental health. Your mental health comes first than to impress other people. They want to feel comfortable with you. You know that other people, guys, they can talk things about you or jokes about you. Most of the time they can look at you like maybe you are nothing in their lives, but when you separate yourself with those people, they can start they start complaining, why are you leaving us, what. So they want to feel comfortable with you, but guys, they abusing you most of the time. They can makes jokes with you all the times. So guys, when you feel that you are not okay even in that group or in that friendship, most of the time you have to leave. Sometimes you have to choose yourself first over other people's comfort. Even in relationship, if you saw maybe you are not okay in that relationship and that person feel comfortable with you, but that person is not treating you good, you have to leave that person. Because don't, guys, impress other people, you are not okay. First of the thing, you have to, guys, your mental health comes first. When you saw maybe that person maybe doesn't comfort you, or maybe that person, you don't have a good health, especially in your mind with that relationship, you are always stressing yourself every time you are stressed, leave, guys. You have to leave, even that person is angry or what. Because guys, other people, guys, they want to saw you crying every time. You know that the person can cheat on you every time because your partner want to see you crying. And when you want to see you crying, he can feel comfortable of being you are not okay because he is cheating on you. Other people, guys, they are devils. There are people who are so devil by themselves. So sometimes, guys, when you saw that you are not comfortable with that person, leave. Because maybe, guys, you know, other people, they want to see you crying. You are crying to your partner because you love that person, but that person can feel comfortable because you are crying. So you have to leave that relationship. Is better.